Hello, this is Sam Libo, your Texas Realtor. The question is, are you ready to sell your home? So if you're ready to sell your home, I can tell you that I am ready and available for me and you to walk through this process and sell your house as soon as we can. So let's get started. How are we going to do this? All right. So the first thing we want to do is how many houses were sold within your zip code. We can even narrow down to how many miles between from your house. We can narrow down there, and we're gonna see, we're gonna check the bedrooms, we're gonna see the square foot, the year it was built, and how many houses actually sold within 90 days within your zip code. We're gonna see the results right here, how much they sold for. This is the goal. This is where we want you to be in the quickest time possible. So that will be the first step that we're going to do. The second step is we're going to see about those expired listings. These are the homes that were listed, but it never sold. It expired. Depending on how they were priced, how the pictures was represented, something went wrong. A failed promise happened here. The third portion is we're going to see how many houses are actually selling within your zip code right now. So these are your competition. These are your competition, and this is how the game plan is. So I'm ready to make this happen. Let's study the data. Let me send a professional camera guy to represent your house and invite me to your kitchen table, and let's set up a plan to sell your house the quickest time possible, get you to maximize on the equity that you have, get you moving on to the new home that you're looking to buy. So I invite you to use my professional services at 24 hour bids. I look forward to assisting you, and thanks for the opportunity